Double feature, a swamp thing and a wood-burning fireplace. A collection of rocks sound familiar, a rocky horror double feature. Picture that show instead of a polluting fireplace and a swamp evaporator, which only moves the temperature down a few degrees. A heat pump would make more sense. A collection of rocks, recall the line from the film. So come up with your yellow lab and see what's on the slab. I see you shiver with evaporation, but maybe the evaporator is not really to blame, for the coolness is lame. I will remove the lukewarm evaporator and replace with a heat pump. As for the breathlessness you feel when near or nearby to the fireplace, I would remove the PM 2.5 fireplace, cause then that will remove the symptoms. Midwest geologist, newcomers to New Mexico with a dog, had to buy a house fast after job transfers. Unfortunately, they chose to buy one without a heat pump, so they settled for a fireplace for ineffective warmth and an evaporative cooler, also called a swamp evaporator. For cooling, what they did not fully understand was that an evaporator only brings down the heat a few degrees, so is not very helpful in New Mexico. Not burning wood would be a more considerate and neighborly gesture. For an evaporator to work, you have to have open windows and doors. During a quality alerts, open windows and doors only let in dirty air. A heat pump requires closed windows and doors and air purifiers, which are lifesavers during a New Mexico air quality alert, not air coolers.